What is going on, everybody? I hope you enjoyed that video I put up last week, the BMW Mega Edit. I have been waiting to make that video for a very long time. Seems like you guys are giving it a good reception. So today's just a bit of an update on that bike. And I have it right behind me here. It has about 50 real-world miles on it. As you might recall, this bike got a whole engine rebuild and it's been running great. Now that I've got some miles on it, I've pulled the valve covers off. I'm doing the valves, making sure that the valve latch is correct. So this probably looks a little weird. What I'm doing here is adjusting the axial play or up and down movement of these rocker arms. I found that this one had a little bit more play than I would like, which is literally just enough to see like the oil squish down here when you press down, but not enough to inhibit these from moving back and forth freely. One way you can make that adjustment is by using a couple sockets to fit over the ends of the rocker shaft and a clamp. I also got the horn in place. I didn't have it on because, I mean, let's be honest, it's ugly. I didn't want that in the motorcycle show. Last thing really is that I'm waiting on a voltage regulator that is adjustable, because the standard one right now is keeping the voltage on the battery consistent, but it's not really bringing it above like 12.7 volts, which is a little on the low side. So waiting on that voltage regulator to come in, and then I think we'll give it some more riding.